Creating schematic diagrams, a step-by-step guide.
Welcome to today's video tutorial. Today, we are going to learn how to create a schematic diagram. Schematic diagrams are essential in various fields such as electronics, architecture, engineering, and many others as they provide a clear picture of how things are interconnected. We'll also take a look at some of the most common software tools used for creating these diagrams.
What is a schematic diagram?
A schematic diagram is a representation of the elements of a system using abstract and graphic symbols rather than realistic pictures. It usually doesn't show the physical arrangement of components but instead shows how they are electrically connected. This makes schematic diagrams highly useful for understanding the functioning and the structure of an electronic circuit or any other system.
What tools are commonly used for creating schematic diagrams?
There is a variety of software available to assist in creating schematic diagrams. The choice largely depends on the complexity of the diagram and the specific needs of the user. Here are some commonly used tools. 1. AutoCAD, used widely by professionals for creating complex diagrams. 2. Microsoft Visio, known for its user-friendly interface and wide range of symbols. 3. Eagle, easily applicable graphical layout editor, popular for designing printed circuit board (PCB) layouts. 4. KiCad, an open-source software suite for electronic design automation (EDA). 5. Draw.io, also known as diagrams.net, a free online tool ideal for simple diagrams.
How to create a basic schematic diagram.
Let's go through the process of creating a basic schematic diagram. We'll use Draw.io as our tool for this example, given its simplicity and accessibility. 1. Start a new project. Open Draw.io and start a new project. Give your project a name. 2. Select a template. Draw.io provides a variety of templates. Select one that best suits your needs. 3. Drag and drop symbols. On the left side, you'll find a collection of symbols. Drag and drop the symbols you need onto the canvas. 4. Connect the symbols. Use lines or arrows to show connections between the symbols. You can adjust the thickness and style of these lines as needed. 5. Label the components. Right-click on a component to add a label. This helps in identifying the components in the schematic diagram. 6. Save and export. Once you're satisfied with your diagram, you can save it and export it in various formats like PNG, JPEG, or PDF. Creating a schematic diagram is not as daunting as it may seem at first. With the right software and a basic understanding of the system you're mapping, you can create clear and informative diagrams. We hope this video has been helpful in your journey to creating your own schematic diagrams. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it in no time.